Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. Welcome to the new session. Today I'm going to discuss about second chapter of ICT. The topic is data communication system. Data communication basically refers to the transferring data between two devices, and when we apply some process for the communication is called data communication system. In other words, data communication are the exchange of data between two devices by some form of transmission media, such as a wire, cable, or a vacuum. Let's see the graphical representation of data communication system. There's a one device which is sender, and there's another device which is receiver. For the sake of transferring data from sender to receiver, this two device must be connected with a media. It can be a cable or the internet. Sender sending the data to the internet and receiver receive the data from the internet. And this process is called transmission system or data communication system. This data communication system follows some rules which is called protocol. There are some protocol. FTP is file transfer protocol. We use file transfer protocol for transferring a file. SMTP is simple mail transfer protocol used for mailing. HTTP is hypertext transfer protocol, and HTTPS hypertext transfer protocol system we used for browsing. This data communication system needs some basic components. There are 5 basic components for communication. First one is source, respectively sender, media, receiver, and destination. A device can be a source, and the device is laptop, desktop, or a server also. A person can be a sender, and media. We told about media like internet or a cable. A receiver also can be a person, and destination also can be a device, which is laptop, desktop, or server also. Let's see how transfer data sent from sender to receiver. This is sender and this is receiver device. When sender sending the device to the receiver, receiver receive that device and store in the device, and the store device can be a hard drive, hard disk, memory, or pen drive also. Let's see the characteristic of data communication system. There are 4 basic characteristics of data communication system. First one is delivery. Second one is accuracy, timeliness, and jitter. And what about delivery? The system must deliver data to the correct destination. It means data must be reached by the intended device or user. Accuracy. The system must deliver the data accurately. Data that have been altered in the transmission and left uncorrected are usable or unusable. Timeliness. The system must deliver data in a timely manner. Data delivered late are useless. In the case of video and audio, timely deliver means delivering data as they are produced, in the same order that they are produced and without significant delay. This kind of transmission is called real-time transmission. Last one is jitter, refers to the variation in the packet arrival time. It is the uneven delay in the delivery of audio or video packets. Today we learn about communication system, communication process, component of communication system, characteristic of communication. This is the today's sessions. In the next session, we will discuss about data rate and the types of data rate. Till then, stay well and stay with the Osman's Goni channel, Osman's channel. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon that you notify for upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.